Alright, figured I'd do a quick video. This is my 2024 MT-07. I purchased the factory, or the OEM Quickshifter. So what I did was I just measured the length before I started, assembled it, put it back to about the same length. I got it pretty close. You mount this bracket with the top hole right here. Then you use the little cinch cable that it comes with. And then right here, you'll find this cable zip tied right in place. It's going to look like it's not the right one because it's got this little cap on it, but you just pop this cap off, you run your Quickshifter cable up here, and then this just plugs in right here like that, and then zip tie that back in place. Probably find, I think it says to zip tie or cable tie it somewhere else as well, but it's pretty straightforward, pretty easy. And then I believe what you do is you just turn the key on and then hold the shifter up for 10 seconds and that activates it in the ECU. But to get there, you take the seats off, you pop this off. So this is just held in place by clips. So there's two screws down there that hold it in place, and then you just lift up on it. You have to use a little bit of force. And then from there, there's a couple of these little pop rivets, and then I think there was two screws that you take out, and then there's another pop rivet here, and then I think there was another one down here somewhere. But yeah, pretty straightforward. I'll maybe update it once I have it set up and running. But yeah, I got kind of stuck on this because I didn't realize there was a cap that was over this. So thanks.